Cantaloupe. Now repeat after me. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Meaning, a cantaloupe is a sweet, orange-fleshed melon with a rough, netted skin. It is often eaten fresh, added to fruit salads, or blended into smoothies. In a sentence, she cut a cantaloupe into cubes and served it as a refreshing snack. Here, cantaloupe refers to the sweet melon she prepared. Let's try another example. The market had fresh cantaloupe on display, perfect for summer desserts. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using cantaloupe. Synonyms, some related terms for cantaloupe are melon, a category of fruits that includes cantaloupes, watermelons, and honeydews. Muskmelon, another name for cantaloupe in some regions. Antonyms. The opposite of cantaloupe would be none, as cantaloupe is a specific fruit, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Cantaloupe is a noun referring to a sweet, orange-fleshed melon. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.